Buhangin B. Now presenting our officiating officials for today's game. Our first referee, Mr. Ricardo Vallejo, PNPF National Referee. And our second referee, Mr. Paul Decanos, PNPF National Referee. Now to both teams, may the best team wins. Let the game two begin! That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 1-0. Serving, jersey number 11. Ball in. A point for Buhangin B. Score 2-0. Serving, jersey number 11. Service A, score 3-0. Serving, jersey number 11. Ball in. Quick hit from the window. Score 4-0. Serving, jersey number 11. A service A. Score 5-0. Serving, jersey number 11. Another service ace of jersey number 11. Score 6-0. Serving, jersey number 11. Straight to the net. That's a point for Buhangin A. Buhangin B. Score 7-0. Serving, jersey number 11. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 7-1 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 2. Ball in. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 8-1. Serving, jersey number 20. Service ace by jersey number 20. Score 9-1 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 20. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 10-1 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 20. Service ace by jersey number 20. Score 11-1, 10-point lead, Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 20. Service error. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 11-2. Serving, jersey number 14. Service error. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 12-2. 10-point lead, Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 13. Straight to the net. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 13-2. Serving, jersey number 13. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 13-3. Serving, jersey number 23. A point for Buhangin B. Score 14-3 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 24.
Shout out Crizel Telabangco from Ian Geldore. Thanks for watching po.
That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 15-3. Substitution, Buhangin B. Out, jersey number 20. In, jersey number 6. Serving, jersey number 24. Ball touch. Point for Bunawan B. Score 15-4. Serving. Jersey number 12. Service arrow. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 16-4. Serving, jersey number 3. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 17-4. Time out. Bunawan B. Score as of now 17-4 in favor of Buhangin B. Once again, daghan kayong salamat Barangay Mandog sa itong nindot na venue karon sa itong gymnasium headed by Kapitan Ray B. Otogan and SK Chairman Roxanne Colalho. Daghan kaayong salamat.
Thank you,
And of
Sir
course,
Ian.
TV and Ariella the Explorer, our official live coverage for today's game.
Sir Ian Geldore, thank you sa
Back to
stars.
the game.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-support.
Serving, jersey number 3. Nice block. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 18-4. Serving, jersey number 3. Service error. Score 18-5 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 29. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 19-5. Substitution, Buhangin proper. Out, jersey number 13, in jersey number 1. Serving, jersey number 4. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 19-6 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 2. A service error. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 26 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 11. A service is by jersey number 11. Score 21-6. Serving, jersey number 11. Service error. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 21-7. Serving, jersey number 2. Straight to the net. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 21-8 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 02. Ball out. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 21-9 in favor of Buhangin B. Serving, jersey number 02.
Shout out Crizel Telabangco from Sir Ian Geldore. Thank you po sa
Straight to
panonood.
the net. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 21-10. Serving jersey number 02. That's a point for Buhangin B. Our official score, 22 serving 10. Serving jersey number 6. That's a point for Buhangin B. Our official score, 23 serving 10. Serving jersey number 6. Set point, Buhangin B. Official score, 24 serving 10. Serving jersey number 6. A service arrow. Our official score, 11 serving 24. Double contact. That's a point for Bunawan B. Our official score, 12 serving 24. Serving jersey number 14. That's the end of the first set. Change score.
Lahat po ng games for today
Winner of the first set, Buhangin B.
will be uploaded po sa ating YouTube channel. Pwede nyo pong stream ang ating games. Please subscribe po.
Once again, daghan kayong salamat. Our very own Kapitan Ray V. Otota and SK Chairman Roxanne Colalo of Barangay Mandul. Also, we would like to acknowledge the barangay officials of Barangay Mandul and SK officials of Barangay Mandul. Thank you so much. Once again, this event will not be possible without the Office of Congressman Vincent J. Garcia, Councilor Javi Garcia Campos, Office of City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte, Vice Mayor Attorney Melchor J. Gibain Jr., SK Federation President Ms. Christine May John Abdul Mercado, and the officiating officials Balibolista di Davao. We would also like to acknowledge Buhangin Fire Station personnel. Thank you so much.
Love it.
We would also like to acknowledge Kagawad Norland Kadunan of Barangay Waan. Daghan kaayong salamat, Ward, for coming.
Siguro na madungay sa You are watching the Battle of the Champions po, Davao 2nd District Volleyball League Season 2. Today po mangyayari ang semifinals match, men's and women's division. At tomorrow po ay magaganap ang finals match at battle for bronze. Paki-share po ng live, like, comment po kung sino ang gustong ipa-shoutout. Live na live po tayo dito sa Barangay Mandug Gym.
Proceeding to the second set of the game.
Mas gwapo na ano? 1, 2, 3. Anong nagtago? Second set na po tayo. This is Buhangin B versus Bunawan B.
For the second set of the game, first serve, jersey number 11. A service ace by jersey number 11. Score 0-1. Serving jersey number 11. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 0-2. Serving jersey number 11. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 1-2. Serving jersey number 8. Service arrow. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 1-3. Serving jersey number 20. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 1-4.
Hello po. Correct.
Serving jersey number 20.
Supportive ba? Saan ang tubig niya?
That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 2-4. Serving jersey number 02. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 2-5. Serving jersey number 13. That's a point for Buhangin B. Ball touch. Official score 7, serving 2. Serving jersey number 13. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 3-7. Serving jersey number 23. That's a point for Bunawan B. Official score 4, serving 7. Serving jersey number 23. That's a point for Bunawan B. Official score 5, serving 7. Serving jersey number 23. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 6-7. 1 point lead, Buhangin B. Serving jersey number 23. Service ace. Score 7-all. Serving jersey number 23. That's a point for Bunawan B. Time out for Buhangin B. Official score 8-7 in favor of Bunawan B. Back to the game. Serving jersey number 23. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 8-all. Serving jersey number 24. Service ace by jersey number 24. Official score 9, serving 8. Serving jersey number 24. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 8-10. 10 serving 8. Serving jersey number 24. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 9-10. 9 serving 10. A service error. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 11 serving 9. Serving jersey number 9. A service error. Score 10 serving 11. 1 point lead Buhangin B. Serving jersey number 2. That's a point for Bunawan B. Score 11 all. Serving jersey number 2. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 11-12. 12 serving 11. Serving jersey number 4.
Nananawagan ko sa mama.
Service ace by jersey number 4. Score 11-13. 13 serving
Sa baloto,
11.
sa baloto. Unsa to? Unsa tayo mangingon?
Serving jersey number 4.
Mahiya, nagkuhan-kuhan ako na rin. Oy! Dito na!
That's a point for Buhangin B. Official score for this match, 14 serving 11.
Gabi TV kani ko.
Another service ace by jersey number 4. Score 15 serving 11. Serving jersey number 4. Ball out. Score 12 serving 15. Serving jersey number 29.
Nice serve.
That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 16 serving 12. Serving jersey number 11. That's a point for Buhangin B. Official score 17 serving 12. Serving jersey number 11. Ball out. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 18 serving 12. An attack from the back. That's a point for Buhangin B. Score 19 serving 12. Serving jersey number 11. That's a point for Buhangin B. Ball touch. Score 20 serving 12. Serving jersey number 11. point for Buhangin B. Score 21, serving 12. Serving jersey number 11.
Nice serve.
That's a point for Buhangin B. Substitution, Buhangin B. Out, jersey number 13. In, jersey number 1. Score 22, serving 12. Serving, jersey number 11. Service ace, jersey number 11. Score 23, serving 12. Serving, jersey number 11.
Sorry, mali ang score.
Match point, Buhangin B.
Match point na po.
24, serving 12. Serving, jersey number 11. A service error. Score 24-13. 13 serving 24. Serving jersey number 8. That's the end of the game. Congratulations for winning the second game, Buhangin B. And also congratulations to Bunawan B for that amazing match. Congratulations to both teams, Buhangin B and Bunawan B. Once again, agad kayong salamat our official live coverage for today's game, the Beat TV and Ariella the Explorer. Thank you so much. And of course, dagan po kayong salamat sa itong BDRMC Barangay Bandug, headed by Kapitan Ray B. Otota.